Hi, and welcome to my channel. Saker sent me this 42-piece multi-purpose ratchet set to review. So let's take a look at it. Comes in a nice solid case. Looks like it's magnetic to close, so that's nice. It does have a little pamphlet telling you about all the pieces. And you see on the inside quite a few bits. I believe there's 40 bits of all different types. Got Phillips, straight, some Torx, some Phillips. It looks like also some of the security type bits. And this ratchet handle. Nice click. Go both tighten or loosen. Tighten, loosen. Like these things can go any way you want. So you need to have a bit of a reach. You can go like that with it. Put one of the bits in there. Then of course use it this way to give you a little bit more of power to turn. And as mentioned, a whole bunch of bits. So you've got some of the long ones and a bunch of the shorter ones. This piece here, you could also add another extension to it if you have them. So here, it fit into pretty small places. And of course, you could use them in your drill. Bits themselves, or in a screwdriver. I think this will have lots of uses. It's a nice compact storage case. I like this a lot. Get into some small spots. And like I say, if it's close, you can add extension to it. These have longer bits, which is nice. And it all comes apart very nicely. Looks like these are all interchangeable. Everything fits in there really, really nice. Makes it close really nice. Really solid case. Looks nice. So I think this will have a lot of use. I really like this. Easy to travel with. Give you more leverage on turning than a screwdriver. This part looks real strong. Also, each piece has a magnet, so when you put in a bit, the tip becomes magnetized. Not super strong, but strong enough to hold a screw. Not too bad there. So overall, I think I'm really going to like this product. Everything fits nice into the case. This is well made, solid steel here, or aluminum grade steel, I believe. All solid bits, standard sizes, so you can use this with other bits that you might have. And as mentioned, you could use these bits in a screwdriver like this or your drill. Overall, I think it's a really good product. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. And I think I would recommend it for sure. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.